What's up, guys? So I figured I'd just make a quick how-to vid while I'm doing this. It's pretty much just how the title says, cut and dry, installing and remove and your engine valve stems from out the head and just pretty much replace them with OEM. Right now, I'm still doing the cylinder head. If you watched the last video, you already know why I'm doing this video right now. But just pretty much just show whoever's in the same situation, in and out video. Yeah, so these are the valve stem seals. So I'm pretty much just gonna replace those while I'm in it. This is the actual cylinder head that we'll be working on today. I know for a fact cylinder 1 has bent valves. I had to check the other cylinders right now, but for the most part, that's just not even what the video is about. It's about just taking these things out. Alright guys, so first things you want to do, safety first, gloves, some sort of gloves. It's pretty thick, mainly because you're dealing with this metal, you really don't want to cut your hands and stuff over. First off, you want to take the shims out. Slowly if you can. And what I usually do when I take these out, I usually just set them in the same order, just because, I mean, 10 times out of 10, they're supposed to go back in the same order. So I just treat this thing like a fine-tuned machine. Alright, so this is the actual remover. And this is the actual installer. The reason why my remover looks like this is because I bought one that was too big. It's two different ones, come in two different sizes. This is probably for a truck or something. The one for a 2J is a little bit smaller, so make sure you get the smallest one, or you could buy the pack that comes with both of them. I was cheap. I got the one with one messed up, got the wrong size, so I just shaved it down real easy. So if you're in that situation, you can shave it down. If you in a time crunch like I am, so pretty much what you want to do is just take this, place it firmly on there. It's magnetized, and it's literally simple. Just slight tap it, give it a little bit of oomph, but it's literally that easy. So you got the retainer and the keepers inside. The easiest way to fish them out I've seen is just literally pair of needle noses. It's a little tricky because it's magnetized. Boom. And since I'm using, pretty much the OEM standard valve stems, I'm gonna reuse these, but I'm gonna make sure I put these back on the first set. So let's make sure we don't get those confused. When you do this, you do want to put something soft underneath the block, underneath the cylinder head, pretty much like a piece of cardboard or anything. To keep your work area clean and whatnot, and keep yourself from damaging the valve stems. But these is already broke, so pretty much since they're already gone, what I usually do, just push this down, pop it out, boom. That's the valve stem. And it's bent. I don't know if you guys can see it, but she's bent. And she's bent pretty decent right here. It's no biggie. Alright, so now what I'm gonna do, since there's nothing wrong with that engine, and these should be the same specs, springs and all, I use probably just straight switch the valve stem. Just keep those springs over there. Alright, so now we're going for number 2, because this one is actually bent right here too. Same thing, man. Just take it. And if you notice, I'm not really putting that much pressure on it. Every time, man. It's literally that easy. It's nothing hard to this. Then just take out the keepers. Take your time taking these out, because you don't want these joints to fall anywhere. Alright, take your spring out, set them out with valve stem. Flip it up, push it down, pop it out. Ooh, whoops. Bent number 2. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys a look-see down in this thing. I'll reach right here. Give you guys a look-see so you guys can. It's actually the valve stem seal. So what you can do with this, it's literally this easy, man. Dig down there. Sorry, I don't got good light. Yeah. Just pull it out. Bang. So when you put the new ones on, well, this is the old one. This is the one I just pulled off. So when you put the new ones on, my advice is probably just sit it on there. Sit it on that nipple right there. Sit it on there, and get like a small sock and just easily just tap it on it. Just tap it on it till it's all the way flush down in there. The reason why I'm changing these, if you can see, well, I did bend it up myself some, but it's just old, man. It's just old. So what I'm gonna pretty much do now, put my seals in and pretty much just show you how to install them. The new seals in, I pretty much just put them in the pliers, like lightly grab them with the pliers, set them on, push it on with my finger, push it on with the end. These were not as hard as they was, hard as I thought. Alright, so now what you wanna do is grab the tool, and I'm messing up the piece. Crap, give me a second. Okay. This is the installer tool. It's real simple. Remover, installer, slide it in. Boom. Now you're ready for action. Pretty much what you want to do, just tilt the cylinder head over, slide the valve stems in. Make sure you get a good eye to see which way you're going, because it will come through the intake side. Alright. Got my glovies. I probably can't use those because I gotta be able to feel around. Alright, so this is spring number 2. So you just slide on. Make sure that seal is still in there nice and good. And she is. You really don't want to use anything this pointy on it, but I already have no other thing, anything else. Just gonna do both of them. Alright. Take your retainer. You want to sit this facing downward. So it's the bevel at the top. Alright. Same with everyone on it. So the intake side and the exhaust side is pretty much the same way, on and off. Same method. Alright, so the keepers, if you can see, it's like a bevel right here. You want to make sure this bevel is at the top. It's gonna be a little difficult. Alright, so what I usually do, take them, stick them together, so goes on there, and bang. You see that? Hopefully you guys can see, man. Alright, and you literally take your tool. You don't have to hammer this one. You can just push it. But you might have to hammer it on some engines. On this one, you can just push it. You can have them lock in. Just make sure it's all even. If you feel as though it's not even, another push. Doesn't hurt. You get down in there. You get down in there and you just check it. It's that simple. This is a very fast process. It doesn't take all day. I do this last one. Oh my goodness. Did you see that thing drop? Let's see if this is. So, you need to take your time with it. Oh, give me a break. Boy wheels back for round 2. I had to go find the freaking keeper. It flew on the other side of the table. Right? So like I said, this is the good end. You got it set up already. You literally sit this dead center. You can just push it. And you can hear the clicks. That's the clickety click. And that's it. Set in properly. Now I gotta get that side, and I think these two were bent. These 2 valves was 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 valves was bent. 1, 2 valves was bent. Other than that, the rest of the valves are good. I checked them. All right, so hopefully what you guys just watched actually helped somebody out as far as removing and installing engine cylinder head valves. Hopefully, like I said, hopefully that helps somebody out. It's real simple as far as OEM versus aftermarket performance specs. I'm not even gonna get into that because I never installed any performance double spring valve springs or oversized valves or any of that. So I literally just did OEM my whole life. That's why this isn't hard to me. As far as that stuff goes, this is just for OEM. So let me just get that out in the open right now. But yeah, like I said, hopefully this helps somebody out. I'm gonna go ahead and bang the rest of this out and be tuned for the video where I get out here and put this GS back together. Until then, subscribe. If you have any questions, I could probably help you out with a couple questions on this. It's a real simple process. I got the actual tool. Amazon actually sells this. Please get it's two of these. It's one big one like this, and then it's one small one. Both of them come with the installer tool because they're different sizes. If you are in the jam, it's safe to it's safe enough to shave this down a little bit just to get it down to here. But yeah, until next time, guys.